So at Frederick Road Depot, we have 3 old transformers which were initially installed in 1960s. They are now getting to the end of their life, and the plan we've got now is to replace 3 with 3 newer transformers which are larger, more efficient and can provide more power into Manchester. We're just going to replace one at a time until all 3 of them are replaced, and then we can get rid of the older stuff. This transformer was ordered 3 years ago. It has travelled over from Europe. It weighs 75 to 85 tonnes and the vehicle itself is 130 tonnes. We've had to do it on a Saturday. This vehicle cannot travel at certain times of day due to its weight load and size. One transformer is over £2 million. It is a very big investment, but they should last 60 years. These transformers power, I think, 146,000 customers in Manchester, so it is a key site for Manchester future development.
How do you feel?
Feels a lot happier than I did yesterday.